Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to revise next topic, that is levels of management. So students, as you know, there are three levels of management. First is top level management, second is middle level management, and third is lower level or supervisory or operational level of management. In the top level of management, senior most executives of the organization are included, like board of directors, general manager, CEO means chief executive officer, president, vice president, CFO, chief finance officer. All these authorities are included in the top level of management. If I am talking about middle level management, all head of the departments are included, like production manager, sales manager, finance manager, marketing manager, as well as zonal manager, regional manager, plant superintendent. All these are included in middle level of management. And if I am talking about lower level management, then it includes supervisors, inspectors, foremen, clerk. All these are the part of lower level management, and these are having a direct contact with the workers. So students, now I will discuss with you functions performed by these management authorities. Functions performed by top level management, middle level management, as well as lower level management. So be focused on the board. I am explaining you functions of all three levels. So students, see the functions performed by top level management. Top management is responsible for welfare, survival, as well as overall success and failure of the organization. Top level management is responsible for the welfare and survival of the organization. Top level management is also responsible for the overall success of the organization as well as for the failure of the organization. Next, top level management is responsible for all business activities. What type of activities are performed in the business? Top level management is responsible for that and their overall impact on the society. Whether demand is increasing or decreasing, what is the impact is there on the society, top management is responsible for that. Third, top management analyze business environment and its implication on the business. Top management time to time analyze what is going on in the business environment and what will be its implication, its effect on the business, and accordingly top management takes action. Next is coordinating the activities of different departments. Top management coordinate the activities of all departments. Top management formulates overall organizational goals. Organizational goals are formulated by top management as well as strategies to achieve such goals. So students, these are the functions performed by top management. Now we will revise functions performed by middle level management. See the first function, middle level management is responsible for implementation of plans. The plans and strategies formulated by top management, they are implemented by middle level management. Second is middle management is responsible for activities of first line managers. First line managers are lower level managers. What activities they are performing, for such activities middle level management is responsible. Third is ensure that their department has necessary personnel. Middle level management has to check that whether their departments are having necessary personnel, employees, and if there is a need, then new employees are recruited and appointed. Next is middle management assign duties and responsibilities to their staff as well as provide them resources. If any of the resource is required by any of the staff member, that is provided by middle level management. Last function performed by middle management is they motivate for higher productivity. Middle level management motivate employees for giving higher productivity and give them rewards on achievement of the goals. So students, these are the functions performed by middle level management. Now we will revise the functions performed by lower level or supervisory level of management. So first function performed is supervisory management directly oversee efforts of the workforce. Supervisory level or lower level management are in direct contact of workers. They keep on checking what activities are performed by workforce and keep on interacting with them and pass instructions if required. Second is lower level management ensure that quality standards are properly followed by workers. Lower level managers keep on checking whether workers are performing their work according to the quality standards, because if goods are of quality then only they will be purchased by customers. So lower level management is completely focused in maintaining the quality. They keep on checking whether quality standards are maintained or not. So last function performed by supervisory management is they ensure proper and safe working conditions. They keep on checking whether safe and proper working conditions are provided to workers. So in this way, supervisory management perform all these functions. So students, I hope three levels of management who are included in these three levels as well as what functions are performed by these three level management are clear to all. Very simple and interesting topic this is, and we have done it earlier. Now we have revised it. Even then, if you have any problem, then discuss with me right now. Okay students, thank you. Have a nice day.